From outside, it's almost impossible to tell this beautiful, sustainable house is built from shipping containers. This amazing two-story home with a pretty great result was built using 4 40-foot shipping containers stacked 2 on 2. Nestled among some of the most pristine and picturesque landscapes, this sleek modern residence is a true testament to modern container living. In this video, we bring to you Lynnbrae Shipping Container Home in Hurstbridge, Victoria. Welcome back. Beyond its striking facade, this amazing home welcomes you into a light-filled, north-facing, open-plan living space. The stunning modern kitchen is equipped with quality stainless steel appliances, Caesar stone benchtops, modern storage cabinets, well-finished kitchen backsplash, and excellent quality finishes. The kitchen space has a large island that can be used as a working table or a dining area that can comfortably sit 4. The dining space is equally classy with a big custom dining table that can sit up to 6 people, ideal for a big family setup or group dining. This sun-soaked living space is nicely furnished with a large couch, a big flat-screen TV for your entertainment, and a cozy wood fireplace that brings the coziness for a perfect cold night among friends. Floor-to-ceiling double-glazed stuccados wrap around the living spaces and lets the light flood into the snow-white interior spaces, creating that feel of large indoor living space. The doors open wide onto a stylish wraparound timber deck, beckoning you out to enjoy the bush landscape and beautiful native gardens. The deck is fitted with an electronic awning which is drawn out to keep off direct solar radiation during hot summer days. A steel floating staircase leads onto the upper floor of the house, which houses 3 beautiful bedrooms. 2 of the bedrooms have private balconies and are serviced by a sleek family bathroom. On one end of the containers on the upper floor is the first bedroom. It has a comfortable bed and floor-to-ceiling wardrobe to maximize available space in the bedroom and large glass windows that open onto a private balcony. Next to the first bedroom is the second, and it features a cozy double bed and a window for daylighting plus ventilation. The second bedroom sits beside a sleek family bathroom that features a fully tiled glass shower cubicle, a vanity with a large mirror, and a toilet. On the extreme end of the containers is the master bedroom. It features a comfy queen bed, a closet, a large window that opens onto a private balcony, plus a slit window in a corner to bring in additional lighting. Down the slope next to the house is a beautiful outdoor fireplace with enough sitting space as you enjoy stargazing during good weather. The exterior of the house is covered with corrugated steel cladding for durability and to enhance the industrial aesthetics of the house. This amazing home was built with sustainability in mind, and the owners grow their own vegetables, and it is powered by solar power system mounted on the roof. Which part of this amazing house appeals you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container living from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.